Alright boys, got something a little different today. Got some revenge on the brain, to be honest. The other day, Brandon played a bit of a prank on me, which he does it quite a bit these days. I've checked his YouTube and Instagram, and he didn't film it or put it up anywhere because he never does when he plays pranks on me. Yeah, the other day I got home and my bedroom is overrun with crickets, and I asked Brandon about it, and he said he bought a box of crickets, which, first of all, very suspicious because he had no reason to do that. But he says he bought these crickets, and he fell down my stairs, which are right there. He says he fell down those stairs, and the box rolled all the way down the hallway into my bedroom at the end of the hall, and then burst open and released the crickets into my room. But I've been cleaning crickets out of my bedroom for the last 2 days. But in any case, I got an idea for getting Brandon back. I sent him a text, I got my hands on something he's been looking for a little while, the new 6ix9ine's water park pendant or something like that. Obviously I do not have that, but I've got something he's gonna find a lot more interesting. But anyway, yeah, I sent him a text asking if we could film this video tomorrow, because in our contract, first of all, every time I'm in a video I get paid, so I win there. And second, if I come up with a video idea and people like it, by the way, that's why you gotta like you gotta like this video. But if people like a video that I came up with, then I get a good fucking job, Ian bonus. That's actually what it says in the contract. So anyway, I think if I can get this bonus and get my revenge in one, this is gonna be a sweet video. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's when we're gonna film. Actually, I assume we'll film tomorrow, unless he actually checks this footage on his camera. Then I'll have to come up with a new plan, but he doesn't check anything ever generally, so I think this will work.
Morning, boys. Shh, back in action. Ian!
What?
You're home?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the camera, bro. You want to film?
I'm right here. You don't need to yell.
Oh, bro.
I told you that.
Oh, jeez. Your sand was traveling over there, bro. I thought you were over there. Oh, weird. Boys, we got a big announcement right now. Not even that big, but I had a different video planned yesterday. Ian texted me yesterday, bro. I haven't even told them what you told me, yo. I'm gonna keep it a secret. They might see it in the thumbnail, whatever. Anyway, boys, we got Ian the cameraman once again for the video. Thank you so much. This guy's been such a gem of a cameraman lately, where you actually just came up with another idea yesterday. I've had about like 3 of these so far. Dude's killing it. Anyway, Ian, let's go upstairs. Let's film. I just wanted to come downstairs, make sure you're all good. And this kind of makes it look like a vlog style when I come downstairs. You feel me? I can put vlog in the title or something like that now, or in the description. Do you have the box, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna set this up. Can you bring it? Oh, dude, I'm so stoked. Dude, Ian just went clutch with something we've been looking for so long on the channel, bro. I don't know how we found it. We're gonna get into it, bro. Back in action. So we got Ian here once again. I think it's been like 2 weeks since you've been here. You've been busy, what, with school or girls?
Yeah, school mostly,
school? Yeah, working at Hooters and stuff like that. Just kidding, that's my dream job. Babes are nice. But if you guys want more Ian videos, thumbs up this video. I'm so stoked for this, boys. Buddy's already found what we've been looking for forever. You guys know on the channel, when some crazy hip-hop custom piece of some rapper comes out, we gotta buy the replica. Why? Because I store them all away and I can't wait till I'm not banned from everywhere in the city anymore and I can just go out and try to sell it to pawn shops or...
I thought those were lifetime bans.
Yeah, I don't know, but people forget. Anyway, without further ado, quick ad from NameBranFan.com. What do we sell, Ian?
Mystery boxes.
Very good ones. $24.99, boys. You're guaranteed to get more value out of your mystery box than what you get. You know what I mean? It's gonna be sick. If you want to see what's in it, all you gotta do is click the link down below. One person that purchases is either gonna get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. Also, we sell jewelry on there, and it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. Quality's not the best with the jewelry, but it's like 2 pieces for the price of 1 shipping. It's pretty sick. NameBranFan.com. We appreciate them, right? I pay you out of that bank account, so.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Nice. Anyway, boys, I hope that was quick enough. We got the diamond tester here. I don't have my old one because we're gonna diamond test it. Hopefully, do you know where you bought it from? Actually, let's just get it first. Bring out the box, bro. I'm so excited. Where did you find it? Did I already ask you?
I got it on eBay.
eBay. Really?
Yeah.
Dude, I've been checking AliExpress, I've been checking Wish, I've been checking everywhere else, and I could not find it. And that's it. Why
I don't know, man. It was man, I had to snap it up quick. Oh, it probably just got searched at the border. I think
did it or did it not? You're not messing
probably.
with me,
What? No, why would I mess with you?
Are you serious?
But of course I'm serious.
Did they duct tape this or did you? Because I've never had them open up my box at the border and then duct tape it.
I didn't duct tape it, man.
I'm actually gonna be. You probably okay, fair. Actually, it does sound like a jewelry box. This is good. Okay. Sorry.
I mean, they might have just packed it weird on their end too.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Yeah, they always go through my packages now because I guess I ordered some stuff that isn't the best to order for a video.
Yeah.
We don't need to give details.
It may have been an issue. Police may have shown up at the door.
Anyway, Ian, first off, thank you so much. This is clutch.
Good God, are you opening that with a vape?
Yeah, I don't have anything else here. I use my diamond tester, but that's already broken a few of them. We have scissors. No, let's just do it. Boys, without further ado, the 6ix9ine, I'm just gonna say it right now. We've got the 6ix9ine water park chain, the only thing we're missing in the collection.
You like it?
I'm actually so pissed.
You like it, man? Come on, no.
Is that
Well, I don't know, man. What?
No,
hey,
that
Brad,
actually
Brad, take a close look.
Don't. Ian!
That's for the crickets. That's for all those goddamn crickets that I'm still trying to catch. Oh, come on, man. Don't be a come on.
Yeah, your PS4 is fucked.
Wait. Okay, wait, Brandon, wait. It's not.
Prove it.
No, it's not. I'm telling you, man, it's not.
It's not real. It's funny.
Yeah. Okay.
You know if it's real, and I see it. That yeah. Okay. He just told me it was a brownie.
It's a yeah. It's a brown.
I was gonna smash that anyway, bro.
Yeah, it's brownie I molded to look like a dog turd.
You scared me, bro. You scared. I was so fuming, bro. I hate crap. I hate crap.
Oh yeah,
so
that.
much.
Believe me, I know that.
It's the scariest thing in the world to me. Where's the rest of it?
Yeah, probably.
To be fair, though, I still did trip down the stairs with those crickets.
Yeah, right. That. So tell me again, why did you buy that box of crickets? Anyway.
Feed your fish.
Uh-huh. And they just rolled that entire distance. I see.
Yep.
Yeah.